I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Oh, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope someday I'll share her home.
Will you have this woman to be your wedded wife, to live together in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you nourish and cherish her as Christ loved his body, the church, giving himself for her? Will you love, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others? Remain united to her along, so long as you both shall live. Then say, I will. Becky, Lord, will you have this man to be your wedded husband, together in the holy estate of matrimony as God ordained it? Will you submit to him as the church submits to Christ? Will you love and honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others? Remain united to him alone, so long as you both shall live. Then say, I will.
Listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so
Now I pronounce to you, Mr. and Mrs. Van, you may kiss the bride.
I don't deserve